Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to navigate to the overview page of each item, activity or milestone that is created within a project and also how to edit the same through the planning board. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can simply click on any project and the overview page of the particular project is displayed. Under the project, the various items that are created within the project are displayed here. The user can select the item and the various ways or milestones or activities that have been created under the particular item will be displayed here. In order to navigate to the sub-activities overview, it can be simply clicked from the same. Also, in case of a milestone, there is no details view, but there is this option called view hierarchy through which the particular people who have been involved and the costing details for the same for this milestone to be built is displayed. These details can be edited if the person has particular access for the same. The editing of any activity or child activity can be done by clicking on this edit option and the edit page is displayed where the user can make the necessary changes and submit the same. If the access is present, the edit will be successful. The same can be repeated for almost all the various types of activities that are present. Thank you for watching.